How will Web3 integrate cryptocurrency? Web3 is an umbrella term that refers to a decentralized and distributed internet, where users have greater control over their data and the internet operates in a more secure and privacy-centric manner. Cryptocurrency is a key component of the Web3 vision, as it provides a secure and decentralized means of payment and transfer of value. In a Web3, cryptocurrencies can be used to facilitate micropayments, small payments for access to content, digital goods, and services in a seamless and cost-effective manner. Enable decentralized applications. Web3 applications can be built on blockchain technology, enabling secure and decentralized applications that are not controlled by a central authority. Provide financial services, such as loans, insurance, and remittances, in a more secure, transparent, and cost-effective manner. Enable new business models, such as DAOs, which allow individuals to participate in decentralized decision-making and profit-sharing. Enable decentralized identity. Manage digital identities, enabling users to control their personal data and securely access Web3 applications. In summary, cryptocurrency plays a critical role in enabling the Web3 vision by providing a secure, decentralized, and cost-effective means of payment and transfer of value. The integration of cryptocurrency into Web3 will likely result in new and innovative applications and business models, as well as a more secure, transparent, private internet. What specific kinds of businesses will likely accept crypto micropayments? Digital content, such as online articles, videos, and ebooks, can be sold or accessed using cryptocurrency micropayments, providing a seamless and cost-effective payment solution for small transactions. Online gaming and gambling could benefit from cryptocurrency micropayments, would allow players to make small payments for in-game items or to place bets without incurring high transaction fees. E-commerce. Online marketplaces could use cryptocurrency micropayments to facilitate transactions for small purchases, such as digital goods or services. Advertising. Networks could use micropayments to allow advertisers to pay for impressions or clicks on their ads, providing a more cost-effective alternative to traditional advertising models. Internet of Things, IoT, micropayments could be used to facilitate transactions in the IoT, enabling small payments for access to data or services in a secure and decentralized manner. It's difficult to predict exactly how soon these use cases will become widespread, as it will depend on a number of factors, including the adoption of cryptocurrency, the development of infrastructure to support micropayments, and regulatory developments. However, with the increasing adoption of cryptocurrency and the growing demand for micropayment solutions, it's likely that these use cases will become more prevalent in the near future.